Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up an appointment booking on Shopify. To set up an appointment booking system on Shopify, you need a booking app since Shopify doesn't have built-in scheduling features. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. Now click on Shopify App Store and search for a booking app like Appointly, Book That App, or Sesame. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Add App. Once installed, open the app and go through the setup process. You'll need to create a service, set available time slots, and customize your booking page. Most apps allow you to set durations, prices, and staff availability. After setting up, integrate the booking system with your Shopify store. Most apps add a Book Now button to your product pages, making it easy for customers to schedule appointments. Finally, test the booking system by making a test appointment. If everything looks good, your Shopify store is now ready to take bookings. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.